wonderful afternoon, my dear students and fellow teachers and the guests of honor. It's a great gift, I think, the Concept School students, the pioneering students of Concept School give me before I officially get retired. This is going to be the last Teachers' Day on the go, actually. Next year by September I will be retired. But at the same time, I'm so happy to see the ones who have delivered the speeches impromptu without any preparation on the spot. When I threw a challenge, such tiny tots I still say of 6th class, 7th class, you express yourselves so wonderfully, so brilliantly, such a vocabulary. Now I started feeling little scared whether I could cater your demand, whether we could satisfy the hunger of your learning. You are so great. So let us all clap for ourselves. So coming to the experience of this day. So after 3-4 days when I returned to my office, I felt I was in the place of my mamas, which is the most favorite place on earth, Mama's village, isn't it? That's why every occasion we get a chance, we go to Mama's village. So I felt so, and I really appreciate my team also. Within less than 15 hours, they have set such a nice program without any chaos. Since morning, I think 8 periods were run. The teachers were, as Vishaka said, Pallavi. Sorry, are you Pallavi or Vishaka? Pallavi said they were dedicatedly teaching with a great passion, and of course, the naughtiness of the students was also observed. But it happens, and without that, there can't be education. So I really appreciate everybody, more than everybody. In fact, I appreciate the student who has played the role of office staff. It needs guts to know the dignity of whatever you are doing. So particularly in India, we have a great dignity of labor. Whether you are an attender or an IAS officer, if you are doing your job perfectly, you are less to none. So I appreciate this boy. Once again, claps for this boy. He has Pritam Tenche. I really appreciate him because everybody wants to be comfortable, wants to be praised. No one wants to do such a job, but that's also a job. In fact, that is the most important thing. So this can be a learning for this Teachers' Day on behalf of the school. Second thing, now the teacher in me speaks. The Shravan is over for the boys. So tomorrow I would like to see everybody in proper appearance, attire, uniform, top to bottom. Okay? And whatever is less, tomorrow I will provide you. The shoes will be distributed tomorrow. And now I made it a point not to utter a word about the greatest of the greats, Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, because I want you to do a project on Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. For 8th and 9th class students, on this occasion I assign a project on the life and works of Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. and it should not be a stereotype, but bring out something that is not known to the world about Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. You may collect some information about his childhood days or during the tenure as India's president, or as a teacher not only in India, and the professor in Oxford, and I remember it's Oxford, and whichever other universities he had worked. There are certain things, certain incidents which are not very much known to the world. So try to collect such rare information and make a project, and that best project will be rewarded. And I appreciate Miss Arpita and team uh, having organized such a wonderful event in the afternoon session, and Mr. Rahul and his team for making better arrangements for the academic part of the morning session. Thank you one and all.